Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to NAC swap in Modern Warfare 2 using an easy method. A NAC swap is a super fast weapon switch, a popular technique for trickshotting and making quick plays. It lets you instantly change your weapon during certain animations, which looks incredibly clean. The key to pulling this off consistently is mastering the precise timing, which we'll break down step by step. It might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll get it down. Let's dive into the easy reload NAC method. First, fire just one bullet from your primary weapon to start a reload. As soon as the reload animation begins, keep a close eye on your screen. You'll want to press your weapon switch button, which is usually Y or triangle on your controller, at a very specific point. Aim to press it right as the magazine is about to click back into your gun. This precise timing is what creates that instant weapon swap effect. To truly master the NAC swap, consistent practice is your best friend. Head into a private match where you can focus solely on your timing without any distractions. Pay close attention to both the audio and visual cues of the reload animation. Many players find it helpful to listen for the distinct sound of the magazine almost clicking into place, or to watch for the exact moment it visually re-enters the weapon. With enough repetition, this precise timing will become second nature, building crucial muscle memory. Once you've got the basic reload NAC down, feel free to experiment with other weapons. Some, like the SPAS 12, might feel easier to swap. There's also the sprint NAC, where you sprint and quickly press the weapon switch button. Remember, this technique takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't hit it perfectly every time. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be executing clean NAC swaps, adding a stylish flair to your Modern Warfare 2 gameplay. Happy trickshotting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.